Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be putting this LED RGB Underglow on my Jetta. I'm just trying to see what we're working with here. So we have this little slit right here, which would be good even here too, but when I bought the car, the previous owner must have hit a curb or something like that, so I can't really work with this area. I mean, I could, but it wouldn't be great. The front won't be too bad. I just gotta work around because this, you gotta take this off to get the oil filter, and then the back here, you got the that's the spare tire. Actually, won't be too bad. Might be able to work with something right across here, maybe underneath the bumper. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But for right now, I'll start cleaning up the area. I'll find some mounting points and figure out where I want the wiring to go. Route the wiring, and it should be good. It'll be a fun install. Hopefully it works. So I got the wiring right here. I have an extension for the rear. Everything else looks about the same length. So this is going to be, I'm going to have to run it straight down from the engine bay from somewhere because this is pretty sealed up. I want to get it in an area that won't get affected too much by any road debris, snow, since it's the winter time right now, or even mechanical stuff. So I'll continue looking right now, but I could at least get the strips on. I might drill some holes. This is just plastic right here. Throw some zip ties around. And the sides are going to be kind of difficult, but I'll work on the front, I'll work on the back, and then I'll work on the sides last. All right, I have the wires just touching the ground and the power right now, just so I make sure everything works. So what I'm gonna do is actually set you guys up, try and get a decent view. I'll turn off the lights. Looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna finalize this wiring, take the lift off, and get these two bottom pieces attached just a little bit better where the wiring's at. We'll call it a day. All right, pretty much got the car all tidied up. I just got to clean up around the shop. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I will be installing some interior stuff. I got a whole interior kit too. That might be another day. But for right now, I mean, probably took me about 2 hours with the lift, doing it correctly with the wiring. So, you know, not a bad job. It was a fun project. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the videos, comment, put the bell on. We'll have some more stuff coming up soon. See ya.